Breaking news from the sales world, Isaiah. Sales commissions can either drive growth or become the number one source of internal drama. Agree?
100%, Anita. Sales commissions are like the scoreboard in a video game. If you don't trust the score, you stop enjoying the game.
Exactly. Because for years, calculating commissions meant Excel files, endless email threads, mysterious formulas, and that awkward moment of, hey, I think something's missing here.
And that's the core issue. When commissions are managed outside the ERP, manual errors appear, traceability is lost, and sales teams stop trusting the process, not the business, the spreadsheet.
I've seen Excel files with more tabs than my browser after a full day of meetings. Every tab, a future argument.
That's why Etendo takes a completely different approach. Commissions aren't an add-on, they're a natural part of the sales cycle, fully integrated with orders, invoices, and accounting.
So, no more handcrafted calculations. The system already knows what was sold, when, and to whom.
Exactly. In Etendo, commissions live inside the sales management module. You define flexible commission schemes with clear rules, and a system does the heavy lifting.
All right, let's make it practical. What kinds of commissions can I actually configure without losing my mind?
First, the classic one, percentage-based commissions. For example, 5% on issued invoices, with different rates per salesperson, channel, or time period.
Ah, so no more copying formulas every month just in case.
Precisely. Then you have fixed commissions per operation, perfect for services or recurring sales. €50 per confirmed order, 100 per closed contract, all automatically liquidated.
That already sounds like administrative peace of mind.
And there's more. Commissions by product or category, because not all products have the same strategic value. Premium products can carry higher commissions, standard ones less, all configured directly in the commercial setup.
So I can actually guide the team toward what I want them to sell most?
Exactly. You can also define commissions by customer or segment, key accounts, strategic clients, new customers, without losing financial or accounting control.
This is starting to sound like a well-balanced game.
And now one of Etendo's biggest differentiators, margin-based commissions. Instead of rewarding only volume, you reward profitability.
So selling more is good, but selling smart is even better.
That's it. Your sales team aligns with real business goals. Plus, you can create commissions by period or campaign, product launches, quarterly closings, temporary bonuses. Everything is tracked and ready for later analysis.
And all of this without extra modules, custom developments, or praying that Excel doesn't break.
Exactly. Etendo keeps rules clear, auditable, and traceable. Sales, finance, and commissions all live in a single flow, and you can even calculate commissions in the currency you choose.
So, the takeaway for everyone listening, commissions stop being an operational headache and become a strategic tool.
Less friction, more control, and sales teams that trust the system.
Because if your ERP can't handle commissions properly, spoiler alert, the problem isn't your sales team, it's the tool.
And that's where Etendo comes in.
This was Attendo from the Inside. See you in the next episode.